We are painting 10 different flowers and flower related scenes in this series. This is the fifth painting in this watercolor flower series. I used masking tape to cover the poppies while painting the background scenery. The masking tape is of 2-inch size. I tore a long strip from it. I stick the remaining torn piece on the waste watercolor paper. I'm drawing wide U-shapes on this masking tape, which are of different sizes. I'm going to cut along the pencil mark. After cutting along the pencil mark, I remove the masking tape and stick it on the watercolor paper. These masking tape are going to mask the poppy flowers while painting the background part. After sticking the masking tape for the poppies, next I'm going to draw the horizon. Using indigo mixed with a lot of ultramarine, I paint the sky. I added more water to this mix so that the sky looks pale. When the sky portion is still wet, using indigo color in thick consistency, paint the distant hills. After painting the mountains, I allowed the paper to dry completely. Then next, I started to paint the lake. For painting the lake, I used the same color mix which I used to paint the sky. Using indigo color, add some ripples to the water. When the lake portion is still wet, I mixed sap green with lemon yellow to paint the plants. Next, mix sap green with burnt umber and add some more depth to the plants. Add some strokes as shown in the video. Using indigo color, I am adding some strokes to give more depth to the plants. Now I allow the paper to dry completely. I am removing the masking tape when the paper is completely dry. To paint the poppies, I am using wet on wet technique and I am using the pigment vermilion. While using wet on wet technique, after applying the red color, I tilt the board and allow the color to spread on its own and creates its own effect. While the poppy flower is still wet, I add violet color at the joining point of the stem with the flower. Repeat this process for all the flowers and then your painting is finished. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in another video. This is Prema signing off. Thank you. Bye bye.